Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Today we're taking a look at NatWest, specifically their online presence at www.natwest.com. Navigating a bank's website can often feel overwhelming, so let's explore what NatWest offers digitally. Their homepage serves as the main gateway to their various services, from personal banking to business solutions and wealth management. You'll likely find quick links for logging into your accounts, whether you're an individual customer or managing your business finances. The website likely features information on different account types available, such as current accounts, savings accounts, and potentially even investment options. It's a good idea to explore these details to see which account best suits your financial needs. Beyond account information, NatWest's site probably offers resources related to mortgages, loans, and credit cards, allowing you to research and compare various lending products. For those running businesses, the website should provide dedicated sections outlining business banking services, including merchant services, financing options, and potentially even international trade support. Looking for ways to manage your money more effectively? The site likely includes tools and resources for budgeting, financial planning, and perhaps even investment guidance. Furthermore, the website undoubtedly hosts a wealth of information about NatWest itself, including its history, values, and commitment to customer service. You'll probably find contact information and FAQs designed to address common customer queries. Keep an eye out for information about branch locations and ATMs, making it easier to access banking services in person when needed. In today's digital landscape, a robust online presence is crucial for any financial institution, and NatWest's website, accessible at www.natwest.com, strives to provide a comprehensive platform for all your banking needs. Explore its features and discover how NatWest can help you manage your finances effectively.